We'll guide you through how to create games in Blender Game Engine using the latest methods available in 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Make sure you're using the latest version, as the interface and features keep getting updates. Once Blender is open, you need to switch to the Game Engine mode. You can do this by going to the top menu, clicking on the Render Engine dropdown, and selecting Blender Game. This switches Blender's environment to one that's optimized for game development. Next, you'll want to set up your workspace. Go to the top right corner of the window and click on the Layout dropdown. Choose the Game Logic layout, which organizes your space to make game creation more intuitive. Now, let's start with creating your game world. Use the Add menu to insert objects like cubes, planes, or spheres. These will be the building blocks of your game. You can move, scale, and rotate these objects using the transform tools located on the left panel or by pressing the G, S, and R keys for quick access. To bring life into your game, you need to apply physics. Click on an object, go to the Physics tab on the right, and enable Rigid Body. This will allow objects to interact with each other naturally based on game physics. Now, for controls, you can use the Logic Editor at the bottom. This is where you set up your game logic using a node-based system. You can add sensors, controllers, and actuators to define how your game reacts to player inputs. For example, add a keyboard sensor, connect it to an AND controller, and link it to a motion actuator to make an object move when a key is pressed. If you want to test your game, simply hit P on the keyboard while the cursor is in the 3D view. Blender will enter game mode, and you can see how your settings play out in real time. Don't forget to save your progress frequently by going to File, then Save As, and choose a location on your computer. You can export your game as a standalone application by going to File, Export, and selecting the appropriate format for your platform. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating your first game in Blender Game Engine. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.